Hamster Kombat just posted about their airdrops. And yes, there's probably going to be more than one. So buckle up, guys. This is going to be an interesting one, with some mind-blowing news about Hamster Kombat. Seriously, you're going to want to strap in for this one because we're about to go on a wild ride. Alright, let's kick things off with the bombshell that's got everyone's Discord servers blowing up. The airdrops. Yeah, you heard that right. Not just one, but 2 airdrops are coming our way. The first one is locked and loaded for this month, July, baby. And the second one? It's lurking just around the corner, ready to make it rain tokens like never before. But hold up, that's just the tip of the iceberg. We're about to dive deep into everything the devs are saying about Hamster Kombat's future. Trust me when I say this. It's some next-level stuff that's gonna blow your mind. Now, I know some of you out there have been playing it fast and loose with multiple accounts and auto-clickers. Well, we're gonna spill the tea on what's gonna happen to those accounts too. Spoiler alert. If you've been breaking the rules, you might want to start sweating. This video is absolutely jam-packed with crucial info about Hamster Kombat. We're talking airdrops, withdrawals, exchange listings, and everything in between. It's all here, and it's all fire. So don't even think about clicking away, because you need to hear every single word. All right, let's dig into this juicy article that's got the whole crypto world buzzing. First things first, the Hamster Kombat founders. These guys are keeping it mysterious, giving off some serious Satoshi Nakamoto vibes. But here's the kicker. They've been in the crypto game since 2013. That's right. While most of us were still trying to figure out what Bitcoin was, these legends were already knee-deep in the crypto revolution. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The whole Hamster Kombat project? It was inspired by none other than Pi Network. As soon as Pi hit the scene and started making waves, boom. Hamster Kombat appeared, ready to take the crypto world by storm. Talk about perfect timing. Let's talk airdrops, because that's what you're all here for, right? The first one is locked and loaded for this month. July is about to get lit like the 4th of July fireworks. But wait, there's more. The founders are already cooking up plans for a second airdrop. Could be next month, could be in a couple of weeks. Either way, it's coming, and it's going to be massive. We're talking life-changing, quit-your-job kind of massive. Now check this out. There are over 250 million players grinding away on Hamster Kombat. Let that sink in for a second. That's more than the population of most countries. And guess what? Some exchanges aren't waiting around. They're already listing Hamster Kombat in pre-market trading. We're talking big names like Bybit, BitGet, BWI, and more. This train is leaving the station, and you don't want to be left standing on the platform wondering what could have been. Here's the kicker. Hamster Kombat isn't just a game. It's not even just a crypto project. It's a full-on movement. The devs are planning some mind-blowing stuff once it hits the exchanges. Remember what happened with Pi Network? Early adopters were popping champagne and buying Lambos. Now, everyone and their grandma is trying to launch their own mining project. We've got B-Dogecoin, P-Bridge, T-Swap, Pixel, MW, and the list goes on and on. All because Pi Network showed what's possible in this crazy crypto world. Now let's talk numbers, because numbers don't lie. Pi Network's market cap hit over $1 billion. They dropped 80 billion tokens worth a cool $1 billion back in May. That's the kind of potential we're looking at with Hamster Kombat. We're not just talking about making a few bucks here. We're talking about potentially life-changing money. The Hamster Kombat founders aren't just thinking big, they're thinking galactic. They're not just planning for the first airdrop. They're already scheming about the second one. And get this, they're talking about a second season with another airdrop within the next 2 years. These guys are playing 4D chess, while everyone else is still trying to figure out how to set up the board. Here's where it gets really juicy. The founders believe their token could hit above $1. Now I know what you're thinking. Above $1, that's crazy talk. But think about it. With millions of users worldwide, the value potential is insane. Once it hits the exchanges, we're talking millions of holders. The FOMO is going to be so real, you'll be able to taste it. Now let's address the elephant in the room, bots and cheaters. Listen up, because this is important. The devs are onto you. If you're running multiple accounts or using auto-clickers, your days are numbered. They're planning a major cleanup before the listing, and you do not want to be caught in the crossfire. Remember how Pi Network banned 20% of bot accounts? Hamster Kombat is gearing up to do the same thing, and they're not messing around. So here's some free advice, straight from me to you. Play it straight. One account, no bots, no cheating. Trust me, you don't want to get caught with your pants down when they start banning accounts. You'll miss out on the airdrops, the listing, everything. It's not worth the risk, no matter how tempting it might be. The devs are serious about this. They're combing through the player base with a fine-tooth comb, looking for any suspicious activity. Multiple accounts with the same phone number or username? You're walking on thin ice, my friend. They're determined to keep the game fair and the ecosystem healthy, and they're not afraid to drop the ban hammer. Now here's where it gets absolutely bonkers. The Hamster Kombat team isn't just aiming for millions of users. They're not even aiming for hundreds of millions. No, they're shooting for 1 billion. That's right, 1 billion users. It sounds completely insane, I know. But with the way this project is blowing up, who knows? Once it hits the exchanges and word really starts to spread, we could see holder numbers skyrocket to heights we've never seen before in the crypto world. So, what's the play here? What should you be doing right now? First off, if you haven't already, get in on Hamster Kombat. Like, right now. Pause the video, go sign up, and then come back. I'll wait. Got it? Good. Start mining, boost that hourly profit. But remember, play it smart. One account, no cheating. The risks aren't worth it. And you don't want to be kicking yourself later when you're watching everyone else celebrate their gains. Next, make sure your wallet is connected and ready to go. The first airdrop is coming this month, and you do not want to miss out. We're talking free tokens here, people. Free money. Who doesn't love free money? Keep your eyes peeled for those exchange listings. Once Hamster Kombat hits the big leagues, things are going to move fast. Like blink and you'll miss it fast. You'll want to be ready to make your moves when the time comes. Set up accounts on the major exchanges now. Get your KYC done. Have some funds ready to trade. Be prepared so you can strike while the iron is hot. And finally, stay informed. Keep watching this channel for the latest updates. We're going to be all over this Hamster Kombat story like white on rice. Every new development, every rumor, every bit of news, we'll break it down for you and tell you exactly what it means for your bottom line. Remember, crypto moves at the speed of light. What seems impossible today could be reality tomorrow. Hamster Kombat is showing all the signs of being the next big thing, the next crypto moonshot. The founders have the experience, the vision, and the momentum. With millions of users already on board and big plans for the future, this could be your chance to get in on the ground floor of something truly massive. But as always, and I can't stress this enough, do your own research. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the article for yourself. Dive into the community. Join the Discord. Follow their social media. Ask questions. Challenge assumptions. And make your own decisions. That's how you succeed in this crazy crypto world. Now let's talk about the potential impact of Hamster Kombat on the wider crypto ecosystem. If this project takes off the way we think it might, it could fundamentally change the game for play-to-earn and mining projects. We could be looking at a new paradigm, a new way of thinking about how crypto projects can grow and engage their communities. Think about it. If Hamster Kombat can successfully onboard millions, or even billions of users, it'll prove that there's a massive appetite for these kinds of projects. It could open the floodgates for a whole new wave of innovative crypto games and applications. We're talking about potentially bringing crypto to the masses in a way that's never been done before. And let's not forget about the potential economic impact. If Hamster Kombat tokens really do hit that $1 mark, or even go beyond, we're talking about creating a whole new class of crypto millionaires. Regular people, just like you and me, who took a chance on an exciting new project and struck gold. But it's not just about getting rich quick. Projects like Hamster Kombat have the potential to introduce millions of people to the world of crypto and blockchain technology. They can serve as a gateway, teaching people about wallets, transactions, and the basics of crypto economics in a fun, engaging way. This could be the key to driving mainstream adoption of crypto on a scale we've never seen before. So what do you think? Is Hamster Kombat the real deal? Are you as hyped about these airdrops as I am? Do you think we'll really see 1 billion users? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do your boy a solid and smash that like button. Obliterate it. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Trust me, with how fast things are moving in the Hamster Kombat world, you're gonna want to stay in the loop. This is your boy signing off. Stay safe, stay smart, and most importantly, stay hyped. The future is bright. The future is crypto, and the future might just be Hamster Kombat. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, guys.